Island family. As you can see, we are sort of parked up the side, the train's just behind us. No, we're not catching a train. We just came to buy some stuff for home on the way home. As you all know, most of the times me and Babe come out to Brisbane and we buy, you know, stuff for home. So we're just here and we stumbled across a market. So we're gonna go check it out and see what it's all about. And yeah, so there's Babe here, little Ocean here, and Island Boy here. So yeah, we're gonna go for a little walk and get some stuff. All right, let's go now.
All right, so this is the place we're talking. You guys will see lots of different nationality, but also Africans, you know, my people, for sure. Got 'em. Lots of Asians. And these natural juices. What they have here? Oh, it's like some African dish. Yeah. Might grill up something there. It doesn't have a sign or anything, eh? For some reason. Yeah. True. Yeah. It's busy here. What is this one? It's more like Asians in this one. What do you say?
They have their pasta on the African cuisine. I'm trying what they're cooking. It smells like good. It's not really like Island. Oh, they got like iced tea, iced coffee, soda.
True. Sugar cane. Okay. Oh, Thai. Oh, that. Island walk properly.
And also they have the big
Pad Thai.
Yeah.
Lots of Thai food, definitely. Huh?
Yeah, I would. First, it looked like lots of African on this side, but I think over that side, you see a bit more
Veggies and things.
Yeah, some Africans selling over there. So.
I hope a lot of the people have FPOS though, because we didn't have cash. This day, you hardly pay with cash anymore. It's so weird how things have changed. Like, you know.
Yeah, I know Australia is gonna go cashless in.
Well, some parts.
Yeah.
Remember we went to eat at the restaurant the other night and it was just cardless.
Yeah.
I mean, yeah, it was just card only.
Yeah. So a lot of things are changing in this world.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's a nice place.
Yeah,
And the address, you know the address, babe?
Oh, I'd have to get back to. Yeah, I'm not too sure.
Yeah.
I just did a Google search, guys.
Yeah. Oh, I wonder what this is. Hopefully we can find some yam as well.
Okay, Sweaty Island. Sweaty hands, Bobo. You know, to their culture, probably you holding ocean is like a real big like.
Oh, okay. Yeah, because of the.
Mums usually. You know what I mean?
Yeah,
but it's 2024 now.
Yeah, they're not in their country anymore.
Yeah, that's right. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna get you now. Just hang on. Oh, hey, those bananas look different.
Yeah, they're massive. We always love market tour. Market tour is one of our favorite things. Yeah. Yeah.
Mangoes. You have to try the mangoes from here. Oh no, they're not mangoes. Oh no, they are mangoes. What are they?
Yeah.
Lemons.
Oh, lemons. We're sweating in those bags.
Yeah.
Oh, it's actually bigger than we thought. It
Yeah,
goes
it's
all the way
actually all the
down.
way down. Wow.
Wow. We should have been in the middle to get to see what's. Can we go through here? Because we're actually at the back of it. Yeah. Hey, follow Mama Island.
I just wanted to say these yellow butter beans are really nice. We should plant them.
Yeah, yeah. Massive and busy. That's some kind of vegetable or something?
Yeah, I wonder what they are. Oh no. What is it?
I don't know, but Italy herb. Italy herb.
Oh, Italian herb.
Yeah.
Oh,
Cream.
salad?
Yeah, salad.
Like salad?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's a saber.
I come back. I come have a look. Okay.
Yeah.
It's not. I thought it was watercress.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what I thought it was, guys. Watercress.
Right, they have the plum here again.
What is that? Babes, look at the mangoes then.
Yeah.
3 to 4 bucks.
Oh, look at these. Are these beans?
Yeah, they're called mango bean bush cane.
Oh, can.
I wonder if they're sweet. Different type of cane. Jackfruit.
Yeah, I see some, but they look small too, like they're not as big. Wait, babe.
Mango beans.
No, this look like susumba, or we call susumba. Look like it. Yeah. That's susumba. It bitter bad. My father used to give it to me. These are the leaves.
Islanders.
Trying to think.
Hey, look, they've got a different type of jackfruit at the back there, like a reddish colour. Have you seen that before?
No. Let's go look at the plants over here.
Yeah.
There's some plants I'm trying to see. They have yam.
Oh no, it's the same jackfruit. It's just different. It's just probably like a little.
Yeah, it's the color just changed. It's yam.
How much? $5 kilo. Let's take home.
Yeah.
Get your yams. If you want it, the bag is up there. Dollar, white,
Yeah, just
purple, sour, yellow, white.
Oh,
yeah.
really?
It's growing.
Exactly.
This
And how
is
are you?
perfect.
And how are you?
Yeah, it's
You want a
growing.
mango?
Is it just cash only?
Nice, cheap.
Cash only.
I dropped from
Okay.
5.
Where can we go get money? Do you know? Because we're not from here. Oh,
There is
ATM
a
at the top.
shop in
Okay.
there. Keep going inside.
All right, we'll go there now.
Okay.
Okay, we'll come back.
This is the dwarf slum though. It's already blossoming. Island, stop doing that.
Island, behave yourself, otherwise you're going to change it.
Yeah. Yeah, I have to go get some. Definitely have to get some. Okay. Oh, okay.
Like ginger? Oh, okay.
Mm. Sorry. Yeah. What you call it? Hamra? Yeah. In Jamaica we call it kalaloo.
Kalaloo.
Yeah.
Jamaica.
What about this?
I'm not too familiar.
That looks like callaloo.
Is it similar in taste?
This one like take like a kale, but this
Like a
one
kale.
they say like a they from Brazil. This one.
From Brazil.
True. Oh, from Brazil.
Okay.
Okay.
Nice. Wow. Look at this for people. Callaloo. First time finding it here in Australia. I have to go get some of this.
This one two, that one 150.
Yeah. Gonna go to the. Gonna get some cash.
Cash, you go to the Logan Center. Around here you don't get.
No, not here?
ATM here, not working.
Yeah.
They also not working. The other calls they don't
Shit. None working. This is too bad.
Let's go to Logan Center.
Oh. So. What
We'll just go have a look anyway.
What a situation.
We'll just see.
Yeah. Alright.
Brisbane, baby.
Yeah, people growing them. Hello. Wow. I'm trying to get. So you said to go to the shop. We have to come back here again and again anytime we visit here. Like this place is nice, man. But the only problem with the market, they all require cash. There's no FPOS or anything like that. So that's our challenge right now. Yeah, we literally can't find nothing here. Shit. Excuse my language, but yeah.
We'll have to go petrol station.
Yeah.
Alright, well. There's not even candy to buy, Island Boy.
Oh, so not all.
Yeah, baby, we'll have to go.
Yeah, it's the only way. Eh? We can't make no purchase at the market until we have cash in hand.
Alright, baby, we'll have to cross here.
Alright, so now we're back. So we get some cash so we can purchase our stuff, you know what I mean? And definitely the callaloo and the yam as well. Definitely need that one, so let's do that. Hello. Yeah, I'll buy some from her. Alright, I'll take two. This is the callaloo people.
Yeah, you're right.
Yeah, it is. Thank you.
It's $4 per kilo.
$4 per kilo, are they?
Yeah.
We're gonna get a kilo.
Can I get a kilo of this?
Probably like literally 1 for 1 kilo. They're heavy.
Massive, yeah.
Yeah, well, what's the difference?
What do you mean?
Like what's what?
I think they're all the same.
Like
This
Kensington.
They're like this is RTD. This is what is it? R2E2. That. They're like similar.
That other one.
Which one do you like best?
Oh, let's try one of them.
They're very ripe already.
Oh, okay. Or even this one.
$4 per kilo.
Yeah.
Which one? This one?
Yeah. Is it?
No, baby, you have to.
As long as it's 5 minutes. Consider anything.
Is that alright?
Yeah. Yeah, we get one.
Get one? Just one.
Or two. We get two of them. Here's another
We're gonna
two.
get these two.
Alright, I'm gonna give you that. You wanna put it in a bag?
Yeah.
Yeah, that'd be good.
Trying to get a kilo, eh?
Yeah, if we can, yeah, that'll work. Huh?
Scale all the way over.
It's a little bit over 1 kilo.
Is it? That's all right.
It's $5.
That's all right. Thank you.
Thank you.
Right here. Oh, we're back.
Back, guys.
Yeah.
Yeah, bags up there.
Hey? Oh, back here. Yeah.
Island, come, Papa. Come here.
On a plant, yeah.
$15 a kilo.
Oh, true.
That one day is worth.
Where are you from?
I come from Tonga.
Ah, Tonga. My sister-in-law is from Tonga.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah. We don't live around here, so it's our first time here at the market.
Oh.
Yeah. New South Wales, you know, Casino, Lismore, around that area. Yeah.
Give it a try.
Yeah, we came for a weekend away. Yeah. Yeah. We want to go visit Tonga. We went to Fiji last year and Samoa this year. Now next year maybe Tonga. Yeah.
We'll have a look.
Yeah, sure. We get to eat lots of loo.
7, 8.
Because long time we haven't used cash. Everything's FPOS where we are. No, truly. It's ridiculous, but yeah, it's moving that way.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. Hey guys, welcome back.
There again.
So guys, baby, you want to tell?
Yeah, so we just stopped at a random restaurant, a African restaurant, and got ourselves some African food.
Freddo's
Ugali.
African cuisine.
Right.
That's what it's called.
Yeah, Freddo's.
Freddo's cuisine. So right now we're devouring, well, starting to eat it, and yeah, big up to the girl that was serving me. Thank you for the information that you've given me for food. Appreciate it. This is fufu. I 100%. It's ugali.
Okay.
I believe it's ugali
Yeah.
because fufu has a different texture. But correct me if I'm wrong, right? Because I don't know. And we got stew, which is a beef and goat stew. So this is the beef stew, goat stew. And the kids are sleeping and we're hungry, so we're like, let's eat. So let's try this, guys.
Let's dig into it.
A little bit of piece of this and dip it into your sauce. Oh wow.
This one is definitely different from.
Oh yeah.
Must be ugali for real.
This one is definitely different from
Really beautiful. Almost tastes like tonka meal, the ugali. I hope it's the right thing we're saying.
Beef is nice.
Yeah, it's very, very tender. The goat. Like you can even mash it with your finger.
It's nice. So yeah, this is ugali, guys. It's like Kenyan, right? Kenyan food about that side of the world. In Africa, or that part of Africa, my bad.
Yeah, Uganda and all them ugali too. To all my Jamaican peeps, and I mean anybody else that's watching that never tried some African food, you know what I mean, whether it be Nigeria, Kenya, Ugandan, just, you know, have an open mind and explore. You know, you don't have to try everything, you know, and yeah, but trust me, some of these food you'll love it.
I actually like this beef stew more than that one. Guys, if you're ever in Brisbane, come down to Fredo's African Cuisine. Yep. That is really nice.
Yeah. Yeah, I enjoy the beef more for real.
It seems like it's got more flavour than the goat, to be honest. Hungry? We're hungry. We're both hungry. And we got water to wash our hands and things after. I'm not going to touch the steering wheel and drive off like that. You grab a little piece of your food and then you just...
It's not a nice knife and fork situation, you know? This one, you get your hands messy.
And probably your clothes.
If you're not careful.
Don't judge our way of eating this, because this is the way you eat it. Guys, so that's it for today.
Yeah, man.
We appreciate you guys watching the vlog this far. We're going back home today. And yeah, going back home to our sweet home.
Yeah.
And thank you for watching.
Yes, man. Much respect, everybody.